So, you have my driver's license, you have my insurance information, you have my social security, you have my credentials, you have my gun and badge, you have all of my identification in Homeland Security and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. You know my attorney is Thomas Schmitt and Marie Sanchez. So I'm waiting. I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. Interpol and MI6 need me to actually do an interview to speak to specific people to answer specific questions with my attorney. Now I'm going to call Pete for the time being Howard Peterson. Howard Peterson and John Gita are required to actually, today's Monday, we're required to go speak to those specific people. So I'm asking, what are you waiting for? My room here, my parents' room right now, is all evidence. All of this area is evidence. My car that's in the back, the Toyota, it's all evidence. The Federal Bureau of Investigation is required to pick everything up from my parents' room that they gave me for right now, and the vehicle. So I'm asking you, why do you have my keys? You don't have one set of keys. You have like 3 or 4 sets of keys. I live up in Roxbury, New York. I don't live here. This is not my house. You have 16 addresses. That is in New York State. Now I asked Howard how many addresses he has. He apparently has 25. So he had an apartment with me in Columbus Circle. We had one we shared. He has one upstate. Not upstate like you think. I'm not going to name the location. It's out. How about I say this? It's outside of Boston. It's outside of Boston. How about that? It's outside of Boston. He has one house. He can't have 20. He can't have 25 houses because that's a serious problem with the post office. So this is the last and final message. This is the video, the end all videos. I would appreciate. I do not want to stay here anymore. I'm submitting this to YouTube and Twitter. I am not playing nonsensical games. You do not understand how the Gita and Gardner family are required to take back their licenses, to take certain things back, and you are required to pay the Justice Department, Department of Defense, the judiciary system, the branch, the committee, the judiciary. You're required to pay those people. Those people's positions are affected in the United Kingdom, France, Spain, Italy, and etc. Not just Canada, not just Mexico, these other countries to begin with. You want to say China, you want to say Russia, you could say those countries. So thank you. Have a pleasant and wonderful day.